Welcome to Overcoming Limiting Beliefs, Quieting Self-Doubt, and Building Real Confidence. This video is designed to help you finally move forward in business and life by challenging the thoughts that hold you back. There is greatness in you. Most people are not stuck because they lack talent. They are stuck because they agreed with a smaller version of themselves. Today is about breaking that agreement. This conversation matters because many people face an internal struggle, such as the gap between vision and movement, or potential and action. The greatest battle you will ever face is often internal. As a senior pastor, mentor, and Maxwell certified coach, I'm passionate about identity, growth, and unlocking human potential. Your next level requires your next yes to growth. The problem isn't your skill. It's an identity, belief, confidence, or fear of failure problem. Remember this truth. You cannot consistently outperform your beliefs. A limiting belief is a thought pattern that convinces you of false limitations and restricts your growth. These patterns include thoughts like, you are not enough, or you will fail. Over time, repeated thoughts become internal truths. Limiting beliefs form from sources of self-doubt like past failures, rejection, comparison, or trauma. Pain becomes dangerous when it starts defining your identity. Limiting beliefs create an invisible prison. You cannot walk confidently into rooms your mind believes you do not belong in. Your life moves in the direction of your strongest beliefs. The Bible gives us a foundation. Proverbs chapter 23 verse 7 states, "As a man thinks in his heart, so is he." Your thinking shapes everything: your confidence, decisions, and future. The mind is truly the architect of your reality. The cost of self-doubt is high. It steals opportunities, momentum, consistency, creativity, and courage. Many people are not failing publicly. They are surrendering privately. Signs you may be stuck include overthinking, constant comparison, and waiting for perfection. Self-doubt often disguises itself as simply being careful. Real confidence is not loudness. It is trust in your assignment, belief in your growth capacity, and consistency under pressure. Confidence is built through action, not waiting. The Maxwell leadership principle tells us, growth is the great separator. People gain confidence when they develop intentionally, build competence, and take repeated action. Confidence follows growth. The key mindset shift is to stop asking, "Am I ready?" and start asking, "Am I willing to grow, learn, move, and become?" Clarity comes when you move. Your identity anchors your confidence. When identity is unstable, fear paralyzes you. When it is anchored, you move with conviction and lead with clarity. Affirm what God has spoken over you. Building real confidence involves 5 practical shifts. They include changing your internal language, taking imperfect action, keeping small promises, stopping comparisons, and staying in growth environments. Confidence is the result of consistent character. Action creates momentum. You cannot think your way into courage. Many wait to feel ready or fearless, but confidence often appears only after you start moving. Your next level requires your next yes. Failure redefined. Failure is not final. It does not mean you are incapable or should quit. Failure is feedback, and growth requires recovery. The strongest leaders learn how to continue. In business and leadership, limiting beliefs sound like, "I'm not experienced enough," or "I don't belong." Leadership is stewardship. Build what you are called to build. The power of consistency. Real confidence is not one big moment, it is repeated obedience. Daily habits like reading and practicing matter because consistency strengthens identity. You are what you repeatedly do. The room principle. Your environment matters. Some environments reinforce fear. Others activate growth. Ask yourself who challenges and sharpens you. Growth requires intentional environments. From a spiritual perspective, God does not call perfect people. Figures like Moses and Peter were used despite their doubts or failures. Your insecurity does not cancel your assignment. Embrace daily declarations. Speak powerful statements over yourself, such as, "I will grow intentionally," and "I will move despite fear." Stop agreeing with limitation. There is greatness in you. Activation moment. Take time to reflect on what limiting belief you have tolerated too long and what action you have been postponing. Your potential is useless until it is activated. Your life changes when your beliefs change. You don't need perfect conditions or perfect clarity. You need movement and alignment. Clarity comes when you move. The time is now. Do not spend another year doubting what God placed within you. Affirm your greatness and move forward. The world is waiting for the real you.